Introduction, Name, Roof Waterproof Roll Welding Machine, Voltage, 230V, Power, 4200W, Heating Temperature, 50 to 620 degrees Celsius, Motor, Brushed, Frequency, 50/60 Hz, Welding Speed, 1.0-10.0 m/min, Weld Width, 40 mm, Overall Weight, 38 kg. Common Application Scope, PVC/TPO Roof Waterproofing Membrane Edge Welding Advantages, Control System, Advanced Feedback Intelligent Digital Control System. Temperature and speed are displayed intuitively through LCD screen, with high control accuracy and strong protection function. Product packaging, each set includes 230V welding machine, 230V heat gun, 230V heat element, roller, 40 mm flat nozzle, anti-scald plate, disassembly tool, copper brush, spare gun core, and instruction manual. Packaging size, 620*415*350 mm, packaging weight, 52.8 kg. Warranty, 1 year warranty, and please contact us for any problem. See more product